The trade which we are going to be studying in this lecture is a bullish breakout long trading position which I took on the Euro JPY currency pair. As usual, we're going to kickstart our chart analysis by looking for the direction of the market's current long-term trend using this currency pair's daily time frame. The direction of the long-term trend on this currency pair's daily time frame is quite bullish at the moment. I arrived at this conclusion because about 3 months ago, price action successfully crossed and closed above the 360 period simple moving average lines which were added onto this currency pair's daily time frame. Coupled with the fact that the market's current price is trading above all of the 360 period simple moving averages which were added onto this same currency pair's daily time frame right here. Well, since we've clearly established that the direction of the market's long-term trend on this currency pair's daily time frame is bullish at the moment, we're going to proceed to its 4-hour time frame to confirm the validity of the prevalent bullish trend right away. If the direction of the medium-term trend on this Euro JPY currency pair's 4-hour time frame is bullish, we're going to proceed to its 1-hour time frame to start looking for low-risk, high-probability breakout trade setups in the direction of the bullish trend. However, if the direction of the medium-term trend on the Euro JPY currency pair's 4-hour time frame is bearish, we're not going to proceed to its 1-hour time frame with the aim of looking for bullish breakout long trade setups, simply because the direction of the long-term trend on the currency pair's daily time frame and the medium-term trend on its 4-hour time frame are both moving in the opposite direction. As you can see on the screen, the direction of the medium-term trend on this currency pair's 4-hour time frame is also quite bullish at the moment. And this is simply because price made a successful bullish crossover above all of the 360 period simple moving averages which were applied to this currency pair's 4-hour time frame. And if you take a close look at this 4-hour chart, you're also going to notice that price is currently trading above the 360 period simple moving average lines, satisfying our second condition for confirming the validity of the market's current prevalent bullish medium-term trend. So, to reiterate, if price was trading below the 360 period simple moving averages on this currency pair's 4-hour time frame, this would simply mean that the direction of the medium-term trend on this currency pair's 4-hour time frame is actually bearish at the moment. Therefore, we would not proceed to its 1-hour time frame with the aim of looking for super low risk, high probability bullish breakout long trade setups, simply because an improper bullish trend alignment exists between the daily time frame and the 4-hour time frame of the currency pair at the moment. Now, since we've been able to confirm the validity of the bullish long-term trend on the Euro JPY's daily time frame using this same currency pair's 4-hour time frame, we're free to go on ahead and start looking for low-risk, high-probability bullish breakout long trade setups in the direction of the market's prevalent bullish trend. Price is currently trading above all of the 360 period simple moving averages which were added onto this currency pair's 1-hour time frame, satisfying this trend trading strategy's first ground rule for identifying low-risk, high-probability trade setups in the direction of the market's current prevalent bullish trend. And as you can see on the screen, price action has also satisfied this trend trading strategy's second ground rule for identifying super low risk, high probability forex trade setups in the direction of the market's prevalent bullish trend, since it is currently trading above all of the 360 period simple moving average lines on this currency pair's 1-hour time frame. The momentum behind the prevalent bullish trend on this currency pair is so strong that it even went on to trigger the buy stop pending order which I placed right above the very tip of this bullish fractal on this currency pair's 1-hour time frame. And now I've got a long trading position opened on the Euro JPY currency pair. All of this happened after price made a successful bullish crossover above the 360 period simple moving average lines on this currency pair's 1-hour time frame. As usual, We've got nothing else to do at the moment but to simply sit on our hands and wait for price action to either advance in our favor or reverse against us and trigger our long trade stop loss order, which would take us out of the markets with a loss of about minus 99.6 pips, which is equivalent to exactly minus 136 US dollars and 82 cents, since I'm only trading 15 mini lots of the Euro JPY currency pair at the moment. It's now been a couple of hours since our buy stop pending order got triggered. And now, price has moved away from our long trades entry level with a few pips. But that's not what I would like to draw your attention to. What I would like you to pay close attention to is the fact that the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices low on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame, has moved away from this trade's current stop loss order. And what's this got to do with anything, you ask? Well, this is simply telling us that the market is offering us an opportunity to reduce our overall risk on this long trading position by moving our stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices low on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame, is currently located at. And this is exactly what I'm going to go ahead and do right away. At the moment, my overall risk on this long trading position is only minus 95.1 pips, which is equivalent to about minus 130 US dollars and 54 cents. After moving this long trade stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period SMA, which was applied to prices low on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame, is currently located at, I was able to cut down this trade's risk from minus 95.1 pips to only minus 85.6 pips, which is equivalent to about minus 117 US dollars and 50 cents. Having done that, I'm now going to walk away from this trade for a little bit and let price action decide if it would like to keep advancing further in this long trade's favor to give us some more profits, or reverse against this trading position and trigger its stop loss order to close this trade with a loss of about minus 85.6 pips. Okay, I'm back, and as you've probably seen on the screen, there's been a massive sell-off of the Euro JPY currency pair, which was subsequently followed by a sharp bullish reversal in favor of our open long trading position on the Euro JPY currency pair while I was away from my Forex trading terminal. This massive sell-off would have easily triggered our open long trading position stop loss order if I had just adjusted it to the price level where the 60 period SMA, which was applied to prices low, was located at that particular moment in time. But this didn't happen because I didn't even adjust my stop loss order to the price level where it's supposed to be at when this sell-off occurred in the first place. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't move your stop loss orders when the market gives you an opportunity to reduce your overall risk on your trading positions here. That's a bad habit which you should try to avoid at all costs because it's going to adversely affect your trading performance over the long haul. But this time around I got lucky because if the sell-off had continued, I would have lost more money than I should have simply because I ignored this trend trading strategy's rules. I guess I was probably asleep when all of this happened. But we're going to go on ahead and manage this long trading positions risk as we normally would, following this advanced trend trading strategy's rules once again. As you can see on the screen, the 60 period SMA, which was applied to prices low on this currency pair's 1 hour chart, has moved away from my current stop loss order with a considerable amount of pips. Now, we're not going to just sit here and do nothing when price action has given us a perfect opportunity to reduce our overall risk on this long trading position. We're going to immediately swing into action and move our long trade stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period SMA, which was applied to prices low, is currently located at on this currency pair's 1 hour chart. At the moment, I'm only risking minus 85.6 pips, which is about minus 117 US dollars and 92 cents, since I'm only trading 15 mini lots of the Euro JPY currency pair. Now watch this. I was able to reduce my overall risk on this trading position from minus 85.6 pips to only minus 47 pips, which equates to about minus 64 US dollars and 75 cents when I moved my stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period SMA, which was applied to prices low on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame, as you've just seen me do about a couple of seconds ago. Now, since we've successfully managed our overall risk on this trading position, there's nothing left for me to do other than walking away from the trading terminal and waiting for price action to either advance further in favor of my long trading position or reverse against it and trigger its stop loss order to take me out of the markets with a loss of about 64 US dollars and 75 cents on this trading position. A couple of hours have passed since I last adjusted this long trade stop loss order, and now the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices low on this currency pair's 1 hour chart, has moved away from my long trade stop loss order, giving me another great opportunity to reduce my risk on this long trading position. As you can see on the screen, I'm only risking minus 47 pips, which is equivalent to about minus 64 US dollars and 98 cents at the moment. Well, I'm going to move this long trade stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period SMA, which was applied to prices low, is currently located at on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame. As you've just seen on the screen, moving this long trade stop loss order from its previous location to the new price level where it's supposed to be at has just helped me to cut down its overall risk from minus 47 pips to minus 37.8 pips, which is only minus 52 US dollars and 27 cents at the moment. As usual, I'm going to step away from the markets since we've been able to properly manage our long trades risk. If price action decides to continue moving in our long trades favor, perfect. However, if it decides to reverse against it to trigger this long trade stop loss order, I would end up losing a little over 50 bucks from this trading position. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. Alhamdulillah, what I've been patiently waiting for has finally happened. Price action has finally given me the opportunity to move this long trade stop loss order to break even and then lock in some of the profits it's been able to accumulate. Essentially, this simple trade management technique is going to convert this long trade from being a potential loser into a guaranteed winning trading position. And so, this is exactly what I'm going to be doing right away. At the moment, my risk on this Euro JPY long trading position is about minus 37.8 pips. Well, here's the interesting thing about what I'm going to be doing next. When I move this trade stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period SMA, which was applied to prices low, is currently at, that isn't only going to reduce this open trading position's overall risk, but rather it is going to completely eliminate it. And this is simply because its stop loss order is going to be a couple of pips above the price level where I entered into the market with this long trading position when my buy stop pending order got triggered initially. So, I've just moved my stop loss order from its previous location to the new price level where the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices low on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame, is currently located at. And this has helped me to lock in a guaranteed profit of exactly 6.9 pips, which is about 9 US dollars and 43 cents, since I'm only trading 15 millilots of the Euro JPY currency pair. And now, the next thing I'm going to do is to go on ahead and lock in 1/3 of the profits I've been able to accumulate from this long trading position for the 110 pips worth of profits which the market is willingly offering me at this particular moment in time. And that's it. Now, since I have successfully moved this trading position stop loss order to the new price level where it's supposed to be and also locked in a portion of the profits the market is currently willing to offer at this particular moment in time, I wouldn't be losing a single dime of my Forex trading account balance even if price was to reverse against this long trading position and trigger its stop loss order. The worst case scenario for this trading position is for price action to reverse against it and trigger its stop loss order, which would take me out of the market with a profit of about 110 pips, which I was able to lock in when I closed 1/3 of this trading position size at break even, plus the 9.6 pips which I'll be getting on the remaining 10 mini lots which I have been able to lock in from this trade when I moved its stop loss order to the new price level where the 60 period SMA which was applied to prices low is currently located at. And now, all I can do is to simply wait and see how price action is going to play out. As price action continues to advance in favor of my long trading position, the 60 period simple moving average, which gives us dynamic price levels for trading our active stop loss orders for bullish breakout long trading positions, continues to move further away from this long trade stop loss order, giving me yet another opportunity to reduce my risk on this trading position. At the moment, I've been able to lock in a guaranteed profit of about 6.9 pips on the remaining 10 mini lots which I've still got open on this long Euro JPY Forex trading position. However, I'm going to go right ahead and lock in some more profits from this long trade since the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to prices low has moved away from this trade's current stop loss order yet again. As you've just seen on the screen, moving this long trade stop loss order from its previous location to the new price level where the 60 period SMA which was applied to prices low is currently located at has just helped me to increase this long trading position's guaranteed profits from 6.9 pips to 18.3 pips, which is about $16.62 at the moment. Now, since I've properly managed my total risk on this long trading position based on the advanced trend trading strategies rules, I'm going to step away from the markets once again and let price do its thing. If price action decides to continue advancing further in this long trade's favor, that is going to help me to squeeze out even more profits from this trading position. However, if it decides to suddenly reverse against it and trigger its stop loss order, I'm inevitably going to come out of this trading position with a handful of profit. Well, about 3 hours have passed since I last adjusted this long trade stop loss order. And now, price action has given me another great opportunity to lock in even more profits from this profitable Forex trading position. As you can see on the screen, this long trade current stop loss order is lagging behind the 60 period SMA which was applied to prices low on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame. So I'm going to take advantage of this situation to lock in some more profits from this trading position by moving its stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to prices low is currently located at. And that's all for now. If price decides to reverse and trigger this long trade stop loss order, I'm going to be taken out of the market with a total profit of about 110 pips on the 5 mini lots which I closed at break even and the 27.4 pips which I have just locked in on the remaining 10 mini lots on this long trade. However, if price decides to continue advancing in this long trading position's favor, I'm going to get another opportunity to lock in even more profits from this trade. We'll just have to wait it out and see which of these two scenarios will play out in the end. At the moment, price seems to be having a really tough time breaking above this resistance level. However, what I would like you to focus your attention on is the fact that the market has given me another great opportunity to lock in some more profits from this long trading position. Therefore, I'm going to move this long trade stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period simple moving average, which was applied to prices low on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame, is currently located at. Moving this long trade stop loss order has just helped me to increase its guaranteed profits from only 27.4 pips to exactly 39.4 pips now. Okay, it's been barely 4 hours since I last adjusted this trade's dynamic stop loss order in an attempt to lock in even more of the profits the market is willing to offer. But I'm pretty sure you can see that this long trade's current stop loss order is still lagging behind the 60 period SMA which was applied to prices low on this chart. Therefore, I'm going to lock in some more profits by tightening this trade's stop loss order. And the only way I'm going to achieve this is by moving this stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period SMA which was applied to prices low is currently located at on this pair's 1 hour chart. At the moment, I've been able to lock in a guaranteed profit of exactly 39.4 pips on the remaining 10 mini lots which I've still got open on the Euro JPY currency pair. But things are about to change quite a bit now, since I'm going to be moving my stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period SMA which was applied to prices low is currently located at on this Euro JPY currency pair's 1 hour time frame. If you've been closely following along, I'm pretty sure you can see that I've just increased this long trading position's guaranteed profits from about 39.4 pips to exactly 44.6 pips when I moved its stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where it's supposed to be located at. And now, we just have to wait and see what price action is going to do next. After failing to successfully break above this prominent major resistance level on the Euro JPY currency pair's 1 hour time frame, price almost triggered this long trade stop loss order when it reversed against it and started to move in the opposite direction. However, price bounced off of the dynamic support which was provided by the 60 period SMA which was applied to the closing prices on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame. And now, my profitable long trade's current stop loss order is lagging behind the 60 period SMA which was applied to prices low on this pair's 1 hour chart once again. Therefore, I'm going to move this stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period SMA which was applied to prices low is currently located at on this currency pair's 1 hour time frame. At the moment, I've been able to lock in a guaranteed profit of about 110 pips on the 5 mini lots which I closed at break even only a couple of hours ago, and 44 pips on the remaining 10 mini lots which I still got open on this trading position. Now watch this. Moving my stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where the 60 period SMA which was applied to prices low is currently located at has just helped me to increase my guaranteed profits on the remaining 10 mini lots which I've still got open on this long trading position from 44.6 pips to 52.5 pips. Now all that's left for me to do is to sit back and wait for price action to either take me out of the market with a handful of profit or advance in my trade's favor to give me even more profit. Price continues to struggle above this major resistance level on the Euro JPY currency pair's 1 hour time frame. Therefore, I'm going to go on ahead and tighten this long trading position stop loss order in an attempt to lock in some more profits from this long trading position. As you can see on the screen, this long trade's current stop loss order is lagging behind the 60 period simple moving average which gives us dynamic price levels for placing our stop loss orders for bullish breakout long trading positions. Therefore, I'm going to move my stop loss order from its current location to the new price level where it's supposed to be at this particular moment in time. Doing this simple risk management task has just helped me to lock in a total of 57.7 pips on the remaining 10 mini lots which I've still got open on this long trading position. As usual, I'm going to keep a close eye on price action to see if price is going to continue to move in favor of my already profitable long trading position or reverse against it to take me out of the market when it triggers this long trade stop loss order. And it's finally happened. price action has just taken me out of the market with a tremendous amount of profit when the successful bearish crossover triggered my long trade stop loss order. This trading position lasted for what almost seems like forever, but price action has finally reversed against it to take me out of the market with a decent amount of profits. Now, if there's anything that you didn't quite understand about this live trade tutorial, and I mean anything at all, please feel free to reach out to me with your questions right away, and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as I can. And that's all for this trade, people. See you in the next one.